Hello everyone, myself Maruti, welcoming you all to Ram Maruti Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain you a topic which is related to progressions chapter, arithmetic progression, and in that one we have taken a very important formula, that is nth term, right? The nth term formula we are going to, I'm going to introduce that formula to you. The importance of the formula is, right, entire progressions deals with two formulae, nth term formula and sum to n terms formula. I am dealing with arithmetic progressions. Of course, if you are very good at nth term formula and we are able to understand when to use the formula, how to use the formula, and before using the formula, what are all the things we have to get it. If we are very good at that, straight away we can apply that formula in day-to-day life. So, to make you better understand, today I am coming upon with a video which explains you when to use the formula, how to use the formula, and everything, all the stuff. Okay, so let me come to the topic here. Progressions, in arithmetic progressions, nth term formula, I am going to introduce the topic to you. Okay, so straight away, dealing with nth term formula, first I like to introduce what are the other names of the nth term formula. So it's nothing but other names for the day, other names. What are the other names the nth term formula has? So we call the nth term formula as, we use the word general term. Yes, the first one what we are supposed to remember is general term, means nth term is also called as general term. Okay, now the other one what I like to call it is something like a last term. Yes, you call that as last term. Right, these are the generally used other names for our nth term formula. Okay, so we got what is the meaning of the other names and all, but actually how the nth term formula is denoted as. So I like to use the word symbol. What is the symbol for nth term formula? Alright, generally we use the word an for the sake of nth term formula. It's nothing but an. An is the symbol what we use for nth term formula. So I am done with the other names, I am done with the symbol, but actually what's the formula is? The formula is the formula of nth term in AP, nth term in AP. What's the formula we use? The formula is nothing but with the symbol an. Okay, now the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula what we are going to use to find something. I will let you know. So this is the formula. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so the next word what I like to say is, what are the variables present in this one? Variables in the formula, variables in nth term formula. What are the variables here? Why I am talking about variables here means, if you know what are the variables involved in the formula, then we can straight away think on what is question, what has to be given in the question. We can straight away think in that way. So it's better to know what are the variables here. In this formula, the first variable is a. Yes, this is the first variable is a. Of course, you know what's the meaning of a, or in arithmetic progression, a is nothing but the first term. It's first term. Yes, the first formula, the first variable is a, and what is a means is the first term. Now the second variable in that formula is d. What is d now? D is nothing but the common difference. So it's nothing but the common difference. Okay, right. So a is nothing but the first term. Okay, you might be thinking, right, from where this a has come from? From where this d has come from? Now let me deal with arithmetic progression. A as the first term, right? A plus D as the second term, right? A plus 2D as the third term and so on, right? The nth term formula, whatever we are deriving, there comes here A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so here A is nothing but the first term here. A is nothing but the first term. That's what I have written here. Now D is nothing but a common difference. Means the difference between any two terms. The difference, see here, this is A plus 2D and this is 1D. The gap between them is only 1D, right? Here also, this is A and this is A plus D. The difference between them is only 1D. That's what he says. The difference is D. Now, n means, n is the third variable present here. A is the first variable, D is the second variable, and n means the third variable. What is the meaning of that n? N is nothing but, it's nothing but position number. The number of the position or position number. It's nothing but the position number, means in which place it is. What's the place of that one? Is it the 4th place, or this is the 6th place, or the 9th place? We are going to discuss about the position. Now let me talk about this one here. A, shall I say the roll number of that one or the position number of that one is 1? Yes. So if I go through that one, I like to call n equals 1 here. Means the position of that term is 1. And for this one, I can say n equals 2. Means the roll number or the position number of the second term is n is equal to 2. Now this is the third one. In the serial order, you can see first one, second one, and the third one. So the position is 3 here. Okay, in the same way, if you go for that one, I can say the position of this one is the nth term. Here, n it is nothing but nth term. Right, here is the first term, second term, third term, and you go to the last, it's nothing but the nth term. That is what the formula is. N means position number, right? Now the last one of these variables is nothing but an. What's the meaning of an? That is what I am saying. An is nothing but the person sitting in that roll number, or the number placed in the roll number. Right, you are supposed to understand this one. N means the roll number or the position number. An means the person or the number placed in that roll number. Okay, hope you are able to understand that one. So to make you better understand, right, I can say you an means the number or the term or the value in that roll number, in that position. You are supposed to understand this. In that position. Okay. So, okay. Alright. These are nothing but the variables present in the formula. A, D, N, A, N. Now, what's the trick here? Right. What's the trick? Why we should know the variables there? The trick is, right, out of these 4, any one will be questioned and the remaining 3 will be given to you. That's the trick, right? So, trick is any one out of these 4 variables, any one will be questioned. It may be find the first term, or it may be find the common difference, or it may be how many terms are there, means talking about the roll number, or who is sitting there, or he will give a number to you and he will ask what is the position of that number which I have given. So that is what. So any one variable will be questioned. That's the thing, right? And remaining will be given. Remaining variables value will be given to you. Will be given in the question. Right. Then it is not compulsory that everything will be given straight away to you. Right? They may be giving directly or indirectly, but they will give it to you. This is the trick. Out of these 4 variables, one variable will be asked, the remaining 3 will be given to you. That's the very, very important trick to you. Now, how do they ask this? Right? For what? What is the purpose? Right. What is the purpose of knowing this formula? Right. So what is the purpose of knowing this formula? What is the use? Right. So generally, to find any specific term, if you are asked to find fourth term, find sixth term, find 10th term. If he is asking you to find any specific term, we are going to use nth term formula, point 1. The next one, right? To find value of n, to find the value of n when an is given. This is important to you. Right. So we play with n and an. If n is given to you, if roll number is given to you, then we should know who is sitting in that roll number. If it is given to you, who is sitting in that roll number, we should know what is his roll number. That's the play what we do. To find value of n when an is given, in the same way to find, right, an when, right, n is given. This is the generally the logical way of approaching. Okay, but I'm going to tell you one more important concept to you here. A, D, N. Out of these three, all these A, D and An, all the three may be a negative, it may be a fraction, it may be a decimal, a rational, irrational. But very, very important, the roll number, the position number, number of terms can never be, right? It can't be negative, it can't be decimal, or it can't be a fraction. What's that? N value can't be negative. No way. Right? You can't get it. Right? It can't be a negative, it can't be decimal, it can't be fraction. So hope you are able to understand what I am saying. Let me recapitulate what are all the introduction what I have made it for you. Right. So we are dealing with progressions, arithmetic progressions, and the term. Right. If you are having a series like that, arithmetic series, A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Of course, n is equal to 1, roll number, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, and so on. And this is the nth term. That is what I am introducing here. What are the other names for this nth term? Means general term and also the last term. See, it is towards the last. In the same way, what is the symbol? The symbol what we use for the nth term is an. And the formula, actual formula, nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. In this one, how many variables are there? What are the variables present there? Right? A is the first term, D the common difference, N means the position number, as if like we have roll number. Okay, AN means the person sitting in that roll number. Of course, in general life we have names, English names sitting in the roll number, but as it is mathematics, we have numbers, negatives, fractions, variables, everything sitting in that position. So that's the logical thing what we have to understand here. So A, D, and AN, here the trick is, out of these four, any one will be questioned, 3 will be given to you. Out of that 3, 1 may be direct, 2 may be indirect. You have to figure it out from the question, how to get it. How to get it, I will let you know in my next videos. Okay, so the remaining values will be given directly or indirectly. The next one, what is the purpose of this formula? Mainly to find any specific term. Find the 21st term, find the last term, find some term he'll be asking. That is the first way. And the second way, to find the value of n when an is given, and to find the an when n is given to you. So this is the general way what we are going to introduce with the help of examples and some. I will come back to you in the next video. Hope you are able to understand the introduction of nth term formula. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.